Formation of molecular orbitals. LCAO method. First we will see formation of molecular orbitals. For single electron atom, the solution of Schrodinger wave equation gives wave function psi that represent amplitude of electron wave. Similarly, it is possible to obtain Schrodinger wave equation for multi-electron molecules. However, due to its complex nature, it is very difficult to find the solution. Therefore, scientists found an approximate method called linear combination of atomic orbitals, that is LCAO method. Consider a diatomic hydrogen molecule consisting atoms A and B. The distribution of atomic orbitals can be obtained by psi A and psi B respectively. According to LCAO method, the molecular orbital of H2 molecule is the linear combination of psi A and psi B. Molecular orbital formed by addition of atomic orbitals is called bonding molecular orbital, and molecular orbital formed by subtraction of atomic orbitals is called antibonding molecular orbital. For the constructive interference or in phase combination of psi A and psi B, the net result is higher, and so there is formation of bonding molecular orbital. However, for destructive interference or out-of-phase interference, the net result is lower and leads to formation of antibonding molecular orbital. Qualitatively, this can be explained as follows. During constructive interference of electron waves, there is in-phase overlap of electron waves, and so resultant wave is reinforced. This gives rise to formation of bonding molecular orbital. Opposite to this, during destructive interference of electron waves, there is out-of-phase overlap, and so resultant wave is weakened. This gives rise to formation of non-bonding molecular orbital. In bonding molecular orbital, electron density is located between the two nuclei, which minimizes the repulsion between them. However, in case of antibonding molecular orbital, the electron density lies away from space between nuclei, maximizing the repulsion between nuclei. Thus, on one hand, bonding molecular orbital tend to hold atoms together, making molecules stable. The antibonding orbital tend to push them apart. As the stability associated with lower energy of orbital, thus bonding molecular orbital must have lower energy. It is also important to note that there could be increase or decrease of energy during formation of bonding and antibonding molecular orbitals. However, net energy before the change and net energy after the change remains same.